Okay, hello. I'm going to show you how to make glitter gel, like the one that I used in my previous video. Super easy. It doesn't really require me doing a YouTube video, but I felt like showing you this so you could see. What I do is take some glitter, this is from, I think from Sally's, just cosmetic grade glitter. You always want to make sure it's cosmetic grade. Put some into a little jar. I'm going to just do some gold here. I'm actually going to mix different colors here, so we'll see. Let's see. Let's do some gold. What colors do I have available? How about this holographic silver? Sounds good. I have a little Baskin Robbins little taster spoon. I love keeping these. Oh, I don't keep them. I get them every time my kids go to the ice cream shop for scooping out glitter or pigments, whatever. So I put some more in there. Sorry, I'm trying to do this on camera, but I mean, it's self-explanatory. You just put glitter in a jar. I think that's what I'm going to work with. Silver and holographic silver and gold glitter. So I just fill my jar up, like 1/3 of the way full. Get some aloe vera, 100% aloe vera. I used the fruit of the earth one with no alcohol, no additives, just 100% gel. And then get a little toothpick or something. I just have this little pick thing here. Mix it. So that it forms a really thick paste. I mean, the thinner, I guess, the less concentrated the glitter's going to show up. But, I mean, who doesn't want glitter showing up? At that point, just don't wear any. Just mix it. And I'm sure that this requires some kind of preservative, but honestly, it's just like a little DIY. I kind of put together thinking, because I've pressed pigments before, like glitters, I've pressed them, but they're hard. So you have to pick it up with your finger or with the brush, and it's a little harder to put on your eye. And I was looking at the lemon head ones. Yeah, lemon head. And I'm like, you know what? I'm pretty sure this looks so pretty with like chunkier glitters or like shaped glitters, like stars and stuff like that, which I think would totally look really, really cute. I know somebody that sells glitters. I'm gonna see if she can make some. But anyways, you mix it, okay? Get it off this little scraper thingy. And I'm just going to use whatever left on here. Well, let's pick it up with the brush. I'm using the MAC 242 brush. Okay. I haven't put anything on my hand. Nothing on my brush. And this is now glitter gel. So when it dries down, what it'll do is the gel will just, I don't know, you know how when you get a sunburn, like you rub gel on, it just feels kind of sticky, but it doesn't like feel uncomfortable? That's what this does. So it evaporates, the gel evaporates, but the glitter stays on. Now it's not waterproof, so it will come off in water, or don't cry, because it'll come off. But if you're crying, I mean, at that point you don't care about your makeup. But if you do cry, or if it rains something, you will have glitter falling out. So if you want it to be waterproof, I would suggest taking a glitter glue, putting that down, and then putting these on top of it. But this makes it so much easier to work with. Like, all you have to do now is just get your brush. I would suggest a synthetic brush, and just patting it or swiping it on your lid, and it layers up really nicely too, because I had to do that with my glitter that I have on my lids now. So, like I said, super easy DIY on how to make glitter gel. And then, I mean, it won't fall out. So then there's that. But that's it. Super easy. And this isn't dry yet, but it will dry and it won't move. It's kind of like my glitter I have right now on my eyes. That's exactly what I have on. If you see my last video, you'll see exactly what I have on. I haven't touched it or anything. I'm rubbing the eyeball and like one or two fell out. And of course there's nothing on that finger. So yeah, super easy. And now you could mix all your glitters and make it easier to work with. So hopefully that helps somebody. I'm excited because I've made about maybe 15 to 20 colors now. So yeah, have fun. Let me know if it works, and let's see what else I could DIY. And I'm sure, like I said, I'm not sure if I said this or not, I'm sure I'm not the only one that's thought of this. I'm sure I'm not the first one to think of, you know, mixing these things together, but I don't see it. I haven't seen it. So figured I'd share. I was excited, so I'd share. Alright guys, have a great day. I'll talk to you soon, and yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm back real quick. So it's been about a minute, maybe two, since I stopped filming, and this is dried completely. Like, both of those have dried completely. So I mean, it's, if you rub hard enough, of course some of it will come off, but I mean, it'll work, right? Alright, it's time for real. Bye.